the Latvia-Estonia border. People are waiting over 5 hours on both sides to have their passports stamped.
European countries are becoming more vulnerable in a world shaped by power politics. Some suggest they should form a union. What? Hi! Can't repair your cars. Spare parts are stuck at border control. Hey, Mom.
Listen, I won't be able to visit you in Spain. My visa got rejected.
What visa? From Denmark?
Yeah, even though...
What? Are you...
What's the matter?
I had this nightmare that the European Union never existed. And there was no Erasmus, so we never met.
What?
Sometimes we take things for granted, but we must protect what matters to us. Europe is built every day by people who share its values. This Europe Day, let's celebrate our unity.